Raj was a young man from a small village in India. He had big dreams. He wanted to work for a multinational company, travel the world, and make his parents proud. But there was one major problem: his English was terrible. Growing up, Raj had studied in a local school where all subjects were taught in his native language. Whenever he tried to speak English, he felt nervous. His classmates laughed at his mistakes, and his confidence shattered. Because of this, he avoided speaking English altogether. One day, Raj saw a job advertisement for his dream company. The qualifications matched his skills perfectly, except for one requirement: fluency in English is a must. This hit him hard. He realized that if he didn't improve his English, he would miss out on countless opportunities. That night, Raj made a decision. No matter how hard it was, he would learn English. Chapter 2: The First Steps. The next morning, Raj went to the nearest bookstore and bought an English grammar book, a dictionary, and a novel. He also downloaded a language learning app on his phone. At first, learning English felt impossible. The grammar rules were confusing, and the pronunciation seemed unnatural. He struggled to understand English movies and songs. One evening, Raj overheard his younger cousin, Priya, speaking fluently in English with her school friends. He was amazed. "Priya, how did you learn to speak English so well?" he asked. She smiled and said, "I practice every day. I listen to English music, watch English movies with subtitles, and talk to my friends in English, even when I make mistakes." Raj was inspired. He realized that practicing daily was the key. Chapter 3: Facing Challenges. Raj created a strict schedule. Morning, learn 5 new words and their meanings. Afternoon, watch an English video or listen to an English podcast. Evening, write a short journal entry in English. Night, read 1 page of an English book aloud. At first, it was frustrating.